All right, bro. So pretty much what I'm looking for is I really do want the shorts today because on the higher time frame it does look like we're hitting that 1 hour resistance area. So we keep rejecting off of this area as you can see right here, and we did it again. Now we just got that break, right? So as you can see, we had this break right here, then we had a retest perfectly. Now it looks like we're just gonna keep just the start of a downtrend. So it looks like we're just gonna keep going down. Ideally, what I want to see is some closure below this area so that we can ride shorts to this area right here, or even possibly this area if price looks good enough, right? But ideally, this would be our first target. When obviously our stops will have to be a little bit smaller, unless we're chasing these ones. It would have to be bigger. However, I do want to see some type of selling pressure come in. I'm not really seeing a lot of that come in right now. So until we either close, ideally, I really want to see a closure below this level, this little minor resistance level, get that retest, and then look to keep coming down. However, if we can't get that, if we even just catch a move like this right here, that's cool with me as well. But ideally, like I said, I really want to see something like this. So until then, I'm probably just gonna be like super patient, just wait for the setup to come up, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
All right, let's see what happens.
Do we have any news today? Let me check, see what's going on. 21st. Okay, yeah, so we have no news today. Yeah, no orange food right now. Okay, yeah, we're chilling. How many points away is this from 30? Yeah, that's not really even like it's not even really like enough for I really want to see that closure below. We can if we can get this below, bro, yo, we're gonna be riding these shorts to the fucking floor, boy. Not gonna lie to you. Even like another good target area would be around here. We do have a little bit of rejection going on right here though. Hmm. Okay, I see. I'm gonna put like a little lower right here. Just because we do have a little bit of previous support, a little bit of support here, a little bit of rejection there. So that would definitely be like mid level for TP. This would probably be like if we want to ride it all the way to down here, if we wanted to hold it, if it broke below, this would definitely be TP1 area. This would be TP2. That's pretty much how the trade will look. So would I would want it to see to look like something like this kind of. She does look like she's about to start pulling playing out though. So we're I already set it up as where I want to see my entry. I do want to see that break right here. Remember something like this. This is ideally when I want to catch today. So now it's retesting this area. But like I said, I do want to see that closure right here. but this is not a bad area as well. If we can't get that retest, we might just hop in light on this break just because we did get the retest right here, and she can just absolutely melt from this point forward. So let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like we are getting a little bit of rejection from this area right here, as you can see. Now we do have a little bit of selling pressure coming in. Hopefully, Nasdaq's right today and gives us a fucking retest on this level, bro. If not, bro, I'm not sure how we're gonna play this out, depending on how this moves. Cause she could just fly or melt whatever without us, bro. Cause that's how she is. But let's see. Jonathan, you this is your first day trading that new account, or yesterday was?
My bad. What'd you say?
Yesterday was your first day trading that new account, or today is?
No, today's the first day. Top Step actually had a maintenance issue, so everybody's account was down.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so whoever messed up or whatever, they got reset, and I just didn't trade, so this is gonna be the first day.
Oh, okay, okay. Hopefully we catch a banger on this bitch right now. Let's see
It's a
what
fact.
market does look pretty fair though. I'm not gonna lie, but you never know what Nas, bro. She's just kind of like staying in this area and not liking this. How's your sturdy looking? Oh my god, he's buying up like crazy right now. Same thing with gold. How's gold looking? Oh my god, gold looks pretty solid too, bro. If we can't get something on Nas, we'll probably just end up coming in gold because that shit looks pretty nice. Just scoping this out real quick. This looks pretty solid too for me, not gonna lie. These gold cells right here. It's not multiple. Honestly, guys, I might take these gold cells. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Let me get in these. I'm about to get in this right now. Very cool. Let's see what she can give us. I'm also waiting on Nasdaq while she's rejecting this area. Does not look too good for us on Nasdaq, but let's see can go the give us what we want as well. When we hit about this area, this would be about break even area or TP1, whatever you guys decide to do. Currently, we are floating about 28 points. Wait, 2.1, yeah, that's 21, right? I don't know how to fucking measure this shit, bro. Let's see what happens though. I'm just gonna send an alert. Wait, I don't know if my trading view is gonna do that. Oh, it is. Valid. Okay, she could low-key retrace here. I just realized. Would have been a better entry, but it is what it is. This is a little bit of an aggressive stop. I would have done something like give it more room, but it's fine the way it is right now. I'm not tripping too much about it, to be quite honest with you. Um, Honestly, TP1 could even be at 101, which is around right here. I personally just don't like that. As doing. Oh my god. She looks like she ready to buy up right now from this area. Cells don't even look valid anymore. It's like she just picked up that liquidity to go ahead and keep coming up. Be chasing this next level right here of resistance. I'm not gonna lie, boys. If we can get a retest, I'm getting it on Nasdaq too. But gold is looking all right so far. I do want to see a lot of selling pressure coming. If we can close below here, this area, that'll look pretty solid. But oh my god, she's leaving likes on Nas, bro. What the fuck is going on? I'm not in this, by the way, guys. I'm not in Nasdaq. I'm just scoping this trade out. All right, let's see how's gold looking. Pretty nice. Nice. I want to see a lot of selling pressure coming right now. Don't reject this area, baby. Come on, melt under. Can we get some closure below? where's our 101? It's gonna be around here. So let me just put this here. Is anybody else in this go trade with me or no? Oh, then we are.
No, trying to get in. I was having a little issues. I'm about to wait real quick.
You were having issues with it?
Yeah. I accidentally hit buy, but that's my fault because my laptop be tripping. But I made $10 and got out. I'm just waiting to see how we get back
Uh,
in the.
damn, that sucks, broski.
Yeah, that shit sucks.
Bro, I hate sitting in all of this fucking chop, bro. Like, shorty's just leaving all of these wicks, bro. Like, bro, this is so fucking annoying, bro. This shit I hate.
Yeah, that's why I'm waiting because I would hate to try to get back in as a sell and then it flips.
I would wait until she breaks under this level.
Okay.
And then honestly, our new stop would probably be around here or some shit like that. Just to give price room to breathe. Because honestly, she can go up from right here, bro. There's no telling. Let's see, how's the 5 minute looking? Yeah, she's due for a retracement on the five. 15. Uh, it's all right. Damn, the 1 hour is about to close too. Yo, by the way, can you guys see my camera? I can't like see myself. Is my camera on?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, bet. Take nine. Oh. All right, I'm not gonna lie. If she still hasn't broken out by 10, honestly, I'm just gonna let this bitch ride out and alert the Discord because this is crazy, bro. I'm not trying to sit and chop right now. What I might do is set obviously my stop loss and take profit. I don't actually I usually do that like manually. Like if it hits my stop, I'll just get out the trade. But I'm about to just probably set that up so I can just go on about my morning right now. And then whenever we hit our target to our stop loss, I'll just keep alerting Discord even when we hit our 101 and go break even as well. Just so that you guys could um pretty much stay posted on what's going on if you guys are in this trade.
Yo, Mills, how many contracts you trade with?
So I don't trade contracts. So it's only when I'm on a funded account. I'm
Okay.
not using a funded account right now. I use a live account. But with my live account, I risk anywhere between like I don't know, like probably 4 to like 6%. I'm pretty high risk on it. I'm not gonna lie to you. But when I am trading my funded account, when I'm trading my 50K, I only risk 1%. So I'm only risking 500. I don't like to risk more than 1% on funded.
Yeah. No, that makes sense. Yo, what live accounts do you trade with? Like what brokers can you use for that? I'm in New York as well.
Oh yeah, okay, bet. So I only trade with liquid brokers. That's the only one I have really been using from the jump. I tried to end up before, but the leverage isn't really that good. But after that, I switched to something called Sway Markets, but they got bought out by something called Liquid Brokers. It's the best one that I used since MetaTrader got since I think it was like MetaQuotes lost our license or some shit like that. It's the best one that I have used so far. I fuck with the platform, and I'm just so used to it. I've been using it for such a while, but I would definitely use Liquid Brokers if you're thinking about using a live account for sure.
Gotcha.
100%.
I think I have a liquid broker's account. I gotta gotta check.
Say that again.
If it's, I said I think I have a liquid broker's account. I just don't use it. I gotta check.
Oh, word.
Yeah, yeah. I had Sway back in the day too, but once they change, it should be the same credentials.
Yeah, yeah, it should be the exact same. When Liquid bought out Sway, it was my same credentials to log in. The only thing that's different is going to be the password to your actual trading platform whenever you are on the charting platform. So, like, your password from Liquid Brokers would be different from the one from Liquid Charts.
Oh yes, I'm in the reset and all of that.
Yeah, make sure it's a long ass password too, bro. Because, bro, that should be scary out here. But it looks like we're approaching that 101. We're about, um, damn, never mind. We're deep from that shit. Wait, is this okay? Oh my God, fuck. This is 5 pips or like 49, bro? I actually don't fucking know, bro. What is considered to be 795 or 70? That's definitely 80 pips. What the fuck am I talking about? I am tripping, bro. This decimal point be confusing me, bro. I swear. Can we hit TP1, bro? Like right here. Not gonna lie, I'm doing this shit because this is a 101. Then this would be like an area I want to see hold below. If not, I'm just gonna close, no cap. Bro, they're literally edging me right now. What the hell? Wow, that's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. The only thing we could do is stick to our rules, guys. All right, TP1 smacked. TP1 smack, guys. Everybody should be break even on this trade. If you are in this trade, you should be break even or be taking partials. Definitely take half of your position. Let me go ahead and do that right now. All right, I closed out half of my position and I'm currently break even. I'm gonna let the rest flow all the way to TP2, which is all the way at the bottom for about 80 pips. All right, cool. Oh, the message didn't delete. I hate when it does this, bro. It should be tweaking. All right, whatever. So I'm gonna be hopping off, guys. Make sure you take in half of your profit, or if you guys like your full profit at a 101, definitely recommend to close that fully out if you guys are comfortable with the profit. And I'm gonna be letting this run to TP2, which is about the 4100 level on gold. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna keep you guys alerted on the Discord and keep posting updates as the trade goes on throughout the day. Looks like this might be a little bit longer. This might be definitely a day trade. This is not a scout, bro. Like 5 minute, yeah. Let's see what happens, guys. We might be in this trade for who knows how long. But like I said, I'm just keep you guys updated, and I'm about to hop off of this right now, guys. Make sure that this trade is break even. You should not be losing any money on this trade. Oh, what's up, Jen? I didn't even know you were here. But all right, guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Stay safe, Jonathan. I'll see you guys later.
Yes, sir. Enjoy your day, bro.
All right, likewise, bro. Yo, Millz. and Millz back. You know the vibes. But as you can clearly see, you know what I'm saying? Caught another fucking banger on some, like literally like that sounds cocky. I don't even want to see it on some regular shit, but like on some regular shit. You feel me? Quick little 1 of 5. As you can see, we ran for about 79 pips, pretty damn near 80. So when I marked the level right here, you guys literally seen this whole trade happen. This level right here, I said once we break out of this, we're gonna be good, right? And this was our 101. We already broke out of this, came back here. We did a small retracement right here on which was supposed to be my real TP1. However, I just moved it a little bit because price was consolidating a lot right here. So what I did was I just ended up putting this as TP2, and then this was really like overall my TP3, which was overall for the 80 pip gain. So as you can see, price did reject from this area and started buying up. We already broke structure here, and we already broke structure here. We're closing up, we're closed above here, and now we're holding this little minor level right here. So what we can see is if it's right here, this would have looked like a potential area for longs. However, I did not do that. One and done. One trade, one solid trade is good enough for the entire day. You catch one insane fucking trade. It's probably even good enough for the week if you got in pretty nice with size, right? And if you knew that you weren't going to be, um, I don't know, on the charts all week, or even if you haven't traded as much throughout the week and it's already later in the week. Make sense? I don't know if I lost you, but that made sense to me. So that's all that matters. So as you can see, I just wanted to show you guys pretty much that this trade did smack for, like I said, a 1 of 5. If you guys do want to join the Discord, it is completely free. I do not charge a single dollar. I do not have any courses, none of that. You guys can only work with me one-on-one. I do one-on-one mentorships if you guys do want to learn. And yeah, pretty much if you guys want to join the Discord, live trade with me for free. Copy my trades, just join up. The link is going to be in the description of this video that you guys are currently watching, as well as on my Instagram, literally all my social medias, right? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. But yeah, pretty much I'll see you guys later. I just wanted to update you guys and stay safe. Have a great rest of your day.